Hi, I'm Ray Burke of Active Connections. Active Connections is Ireland's leading adventure therapy programme. We work with young people experiencing emotional and behavioural difficulties. We do this through an adventure-based programme. So we take young people out to beautiful spots like this and help them effect positive change in their own lives. The reason we set up Active Connections was that people continue to fall through the cracks. Not everybody wants to engage with the mainstream clinical-based therapeutic services. So we've decided to try something different, something that involves activity, involves taking people outside their comfort zones, something that involves people kind of coming to places like this and processing, reflecting and just chatting through different issues just to see what will come out the other end. So how we do what we do, we work with young people away from their comfort zone, so away from where they've grown up. We take them to beautiful places in the wilderness and give them the opportunity to engage with physically and mentally challenging activities. These activities usually revolve around rock climbing, kayaking, mountaineering. All our programs are always built on 3 separate pillars. The first one being the experience, so what activity they did, how they engaged in that. And then we have a reflection part, which is really important, and that's where the young people get time and support in reflecting on what they've done, how they've done it, but also not only on the activity itself, but also on their own lives, and then we also have a personal ownership aspect of our work where we ask the young people to give back, and give back in lots of ways. 1, to the environment that we work in. 2, to the community that they've come from. Quite often there may have been some damage caused to that community on their way to meeting with one of our staff. And then 3, to the people in their lives, to help kind of rebuild and grow and get unstuck from the position that they're in to a point where they're much further on. That's really the big part of the whole program, is to get young people past where they're stuck and into a place where they're an awful lot more comfortable and more ready to achieve in their own lives. Active Connections' mission is quite simple. We want adventure therapy to be an option for all young people experiencing emotional or behavioural difficulties in Ireland. Show your support today and help Active Connections change more lives through adventure.
Okay.